The Galaxy S23 will reportedly include satellite connectivity for emergency calling and texting, much as the iPhone 14, according to rumors from last year. However, it didn't occur, and the Galaxy S23 lacks that feature for emergency services. It is currently being stated, however, that Samsung will add satellite connectivity to its phones early in the next year. According to TechRev, domestic smartphone manufacturers want to launch a service that will enable data transfer between 5G phones and satellites the next year. It is well known that Samsung may provide satellite connectivity to its phones next year, as it is now the sole major smartphone brand in South Korea after LG's closure of its smartphone operation. Next year, it's expected that a satellite communication standard will be adopted, opening the door for development in this area. As a result, speculation centers on the possibility that Samsung may release the forthcoming Galaxy S24 with two-way satellite connectivity. Although the Galaxy S23 and Samsung's newest foldables, the Z Fold and Flip 5, lack satellite connectivity, high-end Samsung phones introduced this year that employ the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip may connect to them for emergency calling and messaging services. Earlier this year, Samsung said that the ecosystem for satellite connectivity isn't yet developed and that it would hold off on releasing the new feature until it was. Iridium Communications, which operates a fleet of low Earth orbit satellites for emergency communications, is claimed to be cooperating with the South Korean company. In the first quarter of the following year, the business is anticipated to launch the Galaxy S24. The S24 range is anticipated to have two models, one with an Exynos 2400 chip and the other with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU. If the S24 receives satellite connectivity, even the Exynos 2400 must have the feature activated on the hardware level. Samsung created its two-way satellite connectivity for Exynos processors that may be utilized in the Galaxy S24. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in a comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.